Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see what is file store in the GCP, which is Google Cloud Platform, and how to create it and how to attach it to specific VM. So I am in console, GCP console. Just go to file store and instances. So this is the console for the file store and you can create the instance from here. So before creating, let me explain you what is file store. So basically it is a fully managed file system storage service which basically you can create, and it can be shared, like this file system can be shared on a different virtual machine. So like suppose if you want to share this one file system on 10 or 15 VMs, then you can do from the basically file store. So how to create it? So just click on create instance. So yes, you can give name over here like instance ID. So test file store I will give. Then you have instance type like you want basic, enterprise or high scale. So depending upon your choice you can select over here. So I'm selecting basic and you can see the costing over here. So approximately monthly cost will be 204 per month. So you can check your costing over here. So this is for 1 TB of space. So once you are done with the selection of the instance type, just come down and select whether you want HDD or SSD. So I am selecting the HDD. So depending upon your choice, you can select. So capacity is depending upon your choice. So it is available from 1 TB to 63 TB. So I am selecting 1 TB. Then here you can select the where you want to region and zone. So I am selecting the region over here. So which is Europe, North 1. So once we are done with this, so just come down and you can select the VPC network. So I am selecting default network which I am having, and the allocate IP range. So either you can basically automatically allocate the IP range which is recommended, otherwise you can use your custom IP range. So I am selecting automatic IP range which is recommended. So configure your file share. So this is important. So you can give any name, like I am giving NFS as a file share name. So you can give any name. So it is reserved. So let me select NFS1. So I am giving NFS1. So once we are done with this, so access control. So basically whether you want to grant access to all clients or restrict by any specific IP. So I am using it for the public IP or the public usage. So grant access to all, you can select. And once we are done, so just click on create. So once you will click on create, so as it is 1 TB, so it will take some time to get it created. So we need to wait for some time at this stage. So now you can see our file store has been created successfully and it is ready to use. So this is the IP address which is allocated to this file store. So just click on it to see the more details. So this is very important now, NFS mount point. So this is our mount point which created. So using this mount point now, we can basically attach the store to our VM. So let's try to attach this on one of the VM which we are having. So I'm just going to my VM. So very first step is just create one directory with same name. So I'm creating with NFS1. So you can see now it is created. So which is NFS1. So next step is we need to update the FS tab because I want to use this as a file system. So let's update the NFS tab. So EI, etc, and FS tab. So here, so just update with our new name. So name, as I said, I copied from here. You can see this is my NFS mount point. So same IP and NFS1 I have copied. Then the folder which I created, I just shown you. So with same name, correct? So NFS1 I will say, and this is same setting NFS. So now I have saved the FS tab, which is etc FS tab. So let's validate by doing it. So you can see now this is our basically address for the file store, which is the NFS mount point, the IP address and NFS1. So this is our NFS1, the folder which I created in earlier step. And now what we will do, our FS tab has been saved. So just do mount -a. Okay, now and do df-h. So let's validate whether our new file store has been mounted. So you can see it is mounted 1007 GB, which is 1 TB, and folder is NFS1. So let's go to the folder NFS1 and try to create one directory. Okay, so you can see it has been created. So that's 44 and location is NFS1. So this is how we can create the basically file store in GCP and attach to our VM, and we can attach to multiple VM like this. So that's it for this video. So if you like this video, you can hit like button, and for such more videos on Google Cloud, which is GCP, so you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you.